Okay, so welcome to another episode of hopefully eScoot College. We are today checking a scooter that has those famous solid tires, that I'm against them, and the scooter just stopped working, and that's it. So we're gonna do a couple of checks. In the first place, because it has those solid tires, I'm mainly suspecting that because of vibrations, just battery got damaged. One of the nickel strips in the battery got broken, and that's why scooter is not working, but we will check it out pretty quickly. And well, since this is just some random generic e-scooter from China, not any proper brand, and there is no manual available for it, it's gonna be pretty tricky to do a diagnostics, and the only way to do a diagnostics here is gonna be by a system of elimination. Now, why I don't like those dead cheap scooters? First of all, as you can see, all the screws are pretty rusted. So hopefully we are going to manage to get them all out. Even that it doesn't seem too promising, to be honest. Mudguard is broken already. Okay, in this case, actually user fell off a scooter or something, and that's how it happened. But it would happen anyways, with lots of vibrations and everything, it would happen. Now, when you have damaged screws, then what I always do, I always use a wire brush to try and clean debris that's in there. As you managed to see a bit earlier, you can see that those two are going to be pretty tricky. I have an option for them as well, and well, we'll see how that's going to go. Now, for the moment, step one is going to be to try and loosen as many as I can, and then once I'm finished with that, then we're going to play with those two. One of those two is actually bent because someone hit the curb. So since they are bent, even if they are not damaged, using a just standard Phillips screwdriver or anything like that would be pretty tricky. Now I might actually pause the video or maybe speed it up. I'll see. Just to avoid wasting your time on something that's not too important to be in this video. So a couple more left, and then we're heading for the tricky ones, and hopefully I'll manage to get them loose. I had a similar case earlier today, and I did manage to loosen screws, but it was Xiaomi. Xiaomi is using better quality parts, even if some people are saying, oh, Xiaomi is rubbish and this and that. No, it's not. So this is as far as we can get. Now let's grab my secret tools and try and get the rest of them all out. Okay, this is out, this is out. Okay, this one shouldn't be too much of an issue. Oh yeah, this one's out already. We're not going to be using that one again anyways. If we manage to get this scooter up and going. Okay, and this one's out. And this is our last lucky winner. So fingers crossed that it will work. Okay, it is working. And regarding solid tires, that I'm all the time saying that they're no good, I'm gonna tell you guys the same thing that I already said now to a father of this user. How many cars we have on the road? If solid tires work, don't you think we would already have a billionaire out there? And now, oh my god, now you can see those cheap, those really cheap scooters, how they're built. This is absolutely disgusting and absolutely horrible. You can't even recognize which connector is which and what goes where, and that's yeah, that's the cheapest possible way of protecting wires. Oh boy. Okay, honestly really don't like those things. Okay, like why? Okay, now let's connect our quick tester. Exactly. So the battery is absolutely dead. So that's gonna be it. That's gonna be end of this scooter. Now just to make sure that the battery is the only problem here. I have my testing battery that I'm gonna connect to. There. There. Scooter is working. It's turning on. And it's working perfectly fine. So that's the easiest way to check those cheap Chinese scooters where you don't have access to proper parts. So you're doing elimination. First you check the battery. Sorry about the background noise. First you check a battery. If there is no voltage in the battery, then hopefully you have a spare testing battery. You connect the spare testing battery and you see where you're standing, and we see where we're standing here. Battery is done. So battery is the most expensive part of a scooter. It's usually around half of the price of the scooter to get a new battery, so I don't think that this scooter will be repaired. We'll see, we'll discuss. So that's all for this time, guys. I hope that the sound quality was good enough. I hope you learned something. If you like these types of the videos, I'm actually planning to bring more of those, me just doing repairs with some commentary. Make sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more content like that, of course, also subscribe and turn on bell notifications. If you think it's going to be handy to someone else, then simply share it. And if you have any questions or video ideas, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to try and make those videos for you. And yeah, till next time, stay safe out there and respect other road users. Bye bye.